What is up, guys? Freaktography here. I'm on a big road trip hitting all kinds of abandoned places. Just found myself an abandoned house. Really nice looking one too. Watch this. Look at this. That's a damn nice looking house. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna check it out, guys. We're gonna explore this house. Looks like there's some good stuff in there, so let's not mess around. Cue the music, cue the intro. See you guys on the flip side. Okay guys, so first sight walking up into the front porch. It's a good sign. Got a very old Admiral tube TV over there on a very quest. So that's really cool. Then we work our way over this way, guys, and check this out. We've got some etched glass at the front door here. And we got some Christmas decorations decorating the front entrance of this abandoned house. Let's make our way in here, guys. Close the door behind us. And first thing we see here, guys, is we have some suit jackets here on the right. We've got some ladders chained and secured to the stairs. And make our way in. And it looks like, guys, we have, well, a messy time capsule for sure. It's not your standard type of time capsule house, but we got a lot of stuff in here, guys, at first glance. Lights on here so we can see, guys. Okay, here we go. So we got a TV or a computer monitor, and we got a stereo system here. And we got a bunch of tapes in there, and a bunch of books. Prescription drugs, the herb Bible, prescription for nutritional healing. So somebody was in books of medicine, recipes. So somebody's into health and wellness and taking care of themselves and cooking. Here we've got a microwave cookbook. Company's coming. The complete step-by-step cooking class cookbook. Here's some little trinkets and things here. Noah's Ark. Get a little closer look at that there, guys. That's a Noah's Ark right there. And then there's another one because, well, why not make two? There you go. Candles, scent pot. Okay. Buck Cherry concert pass from April 13th, 1999 at the El Macombo in Toronto. Moving into the kitchen. Again, there's lots of stuff in here. Scattered about. Somewhat organized. For a house that's off of what looks like a pretty busy road, it's actually very surprising to see so much stuff still in pretty good condition and not scattered all over the place like it usually is. Tupperware, liqueur. Karen and Peter, now and forever, September 23rd, 1995. Wonder if they're still married. Kitchen table's a bit of a mess here, guys. Here we got some old beer bottles. We got Tuborg, Genesee, and these have the caps on them, but they're not full. Thermoses, glassware. Interesting stuff, guys. Got a record player here. Apple peeler and a Veg-O-Matic food cutter. Let's close here. There's the basement. Maybe we'll check out the basement. I'm not a big fan of the basements, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Never really have been. A lot of plates and dishware. Cookie jar. And then there's 2 globes here. There's a globe right here, guys. Not in very good shape. And then there's another one. Looks like somebody poked it. Alright, moving on, guys. Not much more to see in here. Let's go have a look, guys. The staircase, I just hope these stairs here are sturdy, guys. And there's freaking cobwebs right at my head level. So, guys, these stairs don't look too sturdy. I see some pretty cool stuff down there. But, better safe than sorry, guys. I don't know if I want to step on these stairs here and possibly get impaled or hurt myself in the basement. Hope that's okay with you guys. We got another room here to the right from where we came in. Some skis here. Empty, guys. Empty. Check out all the books, though. That's a lot of books. And then there's more down there. And there's more over there, too. Gone with the Wind. The Winds of War. The Godfather. This looks like it was like an office or something. Maybe like a library or an office. Okay, you want to go upstairs? Well, I don't care if you don't want to go upstairs, because I do. Okay, guys, here we go. This is an old house, guys. Okay, we'll go to the left. Some TV there. We got some luggage. Check out the light fixture, eh? Box full of TV guides. Check out the typewriter right here. That's pretty cool. Hey, there you go. And then we got another little room back here. Not looking too good though. This roof's coming through, caving in a little bit. Not really much in here to see anyways, guys. Meatloaf, Bat Out of Hell 2. You guys see me there in the mirror? What is up, guys? My lights are too bright. You can't see me. We're going to do this video in one take, guys. One cut, all right? Check out the carpet, guys. Wow. Green shag. It's just a lot of junk in here, guys. Bed frame over there. Got all kinds of storage bins here full of books and stuff. Books about royalty. For Whom the Bell Tolls. Okay. More books over there. Yeah, whoever lived here liked to read, guys. This looks like if I kill the lights a bit. Oops. There, now you get a mirror of what is up, guys, because you can see better. Yeah, we don't need the lights right now. Then we got another room over here. Another bookshelf. Some dude's shirt. Some TVs in the corner over there. This house feels very crooked, guys. As I'm walking, I'm noticing that the house is very unstable and crooked.